let me show you how to work a triple treble stitch, and that is abbreviated TTR for triple treble crochet stitch. We will wrap the working yarn 4 times around our hook, 3 and 4, making sure that they all stay on the widest point of your crochet hook. Then you go into the stitch, make a yarn over and pull it through. We now have a total of 6 loops here on our hook. We yarn over and pull through the first 2, then yarn over, go through the next 2, yarn over and go through the next 2 a third time, yarn over, go through 2 fourth time, and then yarn over and go through the last 2 loops on your hook. So this is our tall triple treble crochet stitch. Let's work one more together. We yarn over 4 times, 3 and 4, then go through the stitch, yarn over and bring up a loop. You have 6 loops on your hook. You yarn over and go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and then a last time yarn over and go through the last 2. So this is our triple treble crochet stitch. It has 4 of these slanting lines around the post of the stitch, and then the last one there at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 horizontal slanting lines across the stitch for a triple treble crochet stitch.